Psychology na nga. Alam niyo guys, law talaga gusto ko maging lawyer. Pero naisip ko, shocks, sobrang tagal nun, sobrang daming gagawin nun, and like, if you're a lawyer here in the Philippines, you can only be a lawyer here in the Philippines. But you can be like, like you can, when you go to the other countries, you can be like an advisor sa mga cases, but then you can't practice law there. Kaya yun. Tapos 10 years pa, like, my patience cannot. Like, my memorizing ability cannot. Kaya ko naman mag-memorize. Pero like, it takes a lot of effort and it's just not, no. Like, I'll just argue with you guys and I'll feel like a lawyer na. Pero before when I was young, sasabihin ng mga parents ko or like, relatives ko, alam mo, bagay talaga sa'yo lawyer. Kasi yung lolo ko, from my mom's side, he's a lawyer. So like they say, nakuha mo talaga kay papang yan ah. Yung parang lawyer ka talaga kasi lagi kang, ma-rebat ako, lagi ako nag-rebat pag ano. Pero ngayon pag inaano ako, sabi ko, ganun mukha. You know, if you're smart, you know you're smart and you don't have to prove it yourself. You don't have to explain all the time because sometimes you already know that some people are not worth the explanation because their IQ cannot comprehend what you're saying, you know?